Tired of staring blankly at your screen? Let's unlock the power of GitHub Copilot in Vscode absolutely free. First things first, head over to the GitHub Copilot website. Keep an eye out for opportunities to join the technical preview spots occasionally open up, granting free access to Copilot's magic. It's a bit of luck, but definitely worth a try. Are you a student? Score. The GitHub Student Developer Pack is your golden ticket. This incredible program offers a treasure trove of free tools, including access to GitHub Copilot. Search GitHub Student Developer Pack in your browser to find the link. Click Get Your Pack today, then follow the instructions to verify your student status. It might take a few days for your application to be approved, so be patient. Once you've gained access through either method, open Visual Studio Code and navigate to the Extensions Marketplace. Search for GitHub Copilot and install it. After installation, Vscode will prompt you to sign into your GitHub account. Make sure you're using the account that has access to GitHub Copilot. Now, open any code file and start typing. GitHub Copilot will analyze your code and provide real-time suggestions. Press Tab to accept a suggestion, or keep typing to ignore it. Explore Copilot's full potential. It can generate entire functions, suggest code comments, and even translate between different programming languages. It's like having a coding buddy who knows everything. Happy coding!